Strength, and a few weeks ago I showed a movement that I call the superhero landing type thing. I'll just show you what it was. You lunge forward and you open up your hip flexors by leaning forward as you lunge, and then you go down into this epic pose where you stick your leg back, throw your arm back like you're Superman ready for action. So it's like a gait pattern kneeling exercise. Anyway, today I'm going to show you how to take that and make it similar but different. So all I mean is we're going to do that movement and add rotation to it today. So what we're going to do is we're going to lunge forward, and then we're going to look over the shoulder of the leg that's in the back and rotate around. And when we rotate around, we're going to find our growing. You're going to find your growing muscles or your adductors. And then we're going to come back. We're going to go down into that epic pose, but now we're going to rotate back the other way. And when we rotate back the other way, now we're getting into a little bit of the growing on the other leg, on the leg that's in the back. But as we rotate and look over, we sink down into this glute here in the hip. And really you can open up your backside here. It feels kind of good. And so then we come back. So at speed, it would be lunge forward, rotate around, let the leg rotate, follow the head and the spine and the pelvis, and then we're going to come back and we're going to look over the other shoulder. So it's rotate, rotate. So it's similar but different, right? And then on the other leg, you would do the same thing. You would lunge forward. You don't have to do the cool stuff, but you can rotate, let that leg follow the head and the back, and then look over your other shoulder and sink down into your glute. So from the side, just so you can see, I'm gonna lunge forward, rotate, and let this leg open up so the inside of your foot's gonna rotate too, and you will discover your growing muscle, especially as you keep leaning this way forward. And then as we go back, we're gonna let that go back to neutral, look over this shoulder, and reach back, and then sink back into our glute. And if you wanted to, here you could just kind of rock back and forth over your hip there if you wanted to. No harm in that. So again, so all we're doing is we're taking that epic hip flexor stretch gate pose where we landed like Superman, and we're adding some rotation and head nods, allowing ourselves to find our growing muscles and our glutes, or our adductors and our abductors, our takers and our holders or squeezers. Anyway, you're gonna find all these muscles through here and right here. It's a really cool move to do. Again, it does a lot of good things. It can actually, if you do it at speed, you can actually get your heart rate up, but it's a great way to move your hips and your legs in ways that you don't normally do. It gets you down on the ground. And as you're rotating, now we're adding the vestibular system in. We're letting the body follow the head, the spine, the pelvis, and the hips rotate around. It's just another way to tap into the movements you were designed to make. It's really simple-ish. Play with it, have fun, because it feels good, and it feels good to feel good. All right? I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
If you're not moving as well as you want to, look for an Original Strength professional near you, or come to one of our Pressing Reset workshops. You can find them both on our website, originalstrength.net.